Welcome back to FOMCS educational videos. Today we will continue introducing more features. Educational video, Creating and Managing Yachts, Part 1. From the main menu, click on Yachts. You can create a new yacht from here, and also from the Create menu. Let us create a new one. Please note that information marked with red asterisks are mandatory to fill up, and you can leave the other fields blank. But we advise you to fill up all the information given as you proceed. Write the name of the yacht. Select the exact model of your boat from the database. If you can't find the model from here, please mail us the information of the shipyard and the model, and we will add them right away. Write the built year of the yacht. Write the year if it has received refitment. Select the registry flag from the list. Write the port of registry. Write the official registry number. Determine if the boat is for charter. Please note that if you select Yes, a new panel appears. Determine if the boat is available for charter on online portals. If you select Yes, then the boat will be available for charter for all the online portals that collaborates with FOMCS. And if you select No, then the boat will be available for charter to make offers, options, and bookings from your office. If you select Yes, another option appears. Determine if you want to add the agency commission to final price on online portals. If you select Yes, the final price displayed on the online portals will include the agency commission. If you select No, the final price displayed on the online portals will be net price to owner. We will select Yes for this lecture. Determine if the boat is for management, association, union, or club membership. If the yacht or the owner, manager, operator is member of any association, union, or club, please select from the list. If you select one or more from the list, it's possible that the boat will automatically appear in the online search facility available from the selected association, union, or club with your full consent. Determine if the boat is for sale. Please note that if you select Yes, a new panel appears. Write the sale asking price. Select the currency from the list. Select if the VAT is paid or not. Determine if the boat is available for sale on online portals. If you select Yes, then the boat will be available for sale for all the online portals collaborating with FOMCS. And if you select No, then the boat will be available to share its sale information and specifications directly from your office. Because of the model we have selected, some specifications are presented that are already in the system. Please change the information with your own, if they are different. Accommodation and Service. For accommodation and service, if you don't have the information, we suggest you select 0 for the details. If the boat is crewed, please put the necessary information. Technical data. Select the hull material from the list. Deck material, if you have the information. Superstructure material information is not obligatory to enter. Main engine fuel. Fuel, fresh, black and gray tanks details. Sails and rigging. Select the number of masts on the boat. Choose the rig type from the list. Main sails year and their area in square meters. Genoa sails year and their area in square meters. And total area of sails. Machinery and auxiliary. Select the number of main engines on the boat. Please note that number of engine serials to fill up are the same with number of engines selected. Write the main engine builder, model, and HP. Main engine or engines, RPM. Engine serial number. Select the gears or gear type from the list. If you have more than one gearbox, you can write their serial numbers by putting a comma between them. Write the maximum speed in knots and cruising speed. Fuel consumption liters per hour. Number of auxiliary engines on the boat. Please keep in mind to fill up all the serial numbers if you select more than one auxiliary engines or generators. Total kVA of auxiliary engines and their builder. Write the serial number. Select the AC voltage from the list. Select the DC voltage from the list. Write the total capacity of service batteries in ampere hour and total capacity of engine batteries. Licenses and certificates. Insert the boat's charter license, if it has any. Write its international call sign, its MMSI number, the International Maritime Organization number, if the boat using one, ATIS number, if the boat is using one, AIS type, Professional Recreational Ship Registration number, Registry number of the Ministry of Merchant Shipping, E-Register, official number, Hull identification number, Boats Insurance Company, Insurance policy number, Insurance customer number, Boats classification society that you can select from the list. Click on Add to create the yacht. After you have created them, you can review and edit the selected yacht from here. Make the changes as you see fit. Then click on Edit to apply the changes. Delete the selected yacht from here. Use search function to reach specified information. You can also search for yacht accounts, and you will be listed all the yachts that is belonging to that specific account. You can learn more about how to create a yacht account in Educational Video for Creating and Managing Yachts, Part 3. You can use the filters above to narrow down your search. For example, we can list the yachts that are only available for sale. Then we can get that list in PDF format. You can also print or copy the current list or get export in Excel format. In the next video, part 2 of the yachts, we will show you more cards and features.